Copilot in Windows 11. To access Copilot, click on this Copilot icon next to the search icon on the taskbar. And then if you're signed in with a work account, you'll be working through the cloud Copilot application. If you're using a personal account, then it will use the desktop version of the Copilot. So in my case, I'm going to click here on Go to Copilot for Work. And at this stage, very similar to OpenAI for ChatGPT, here we can enter the prompt. So we want to create a marketing plan for an MBA online program. And then we simply click on Submit. We can also create images from here, and this will most likely evolve from the time of this recording because AI is constantly changing and advancing. And at this point, it's working to design an image. If you use certain types of prompts, you can also create bar charts, visual representations of data.